Beneath Antarctica's ice lies a world of darkness and crushing pressure, isolated for millions of years. This is not a distant planet. It's right here on Earth, hidden under miles of frozen expanse. For generations we thought Antarctica was lifeless, but we were wrong. Under the ice, something extraordinary has been waiting. We're about to explore a secret ecosystem that's evolved in total isolation. Here, life has not only survived, but thrived in conditions once thought impossible. Creatures here have never seen the sun, breathe strange chemicals, and their DNA tells a story of resilience. The Antarctic ice sheet is the largest on Earth, a fortress that has guarded its secrets for eons. Its pressure and cold are extreme, making it seem impenetrable. Yet, driven by curiosity, science has found ways to peer beneath this veil. What we're discovering is rewriting our understanding of biology and evolution. This is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a responsibility. We are the first to witness this ancient, pristine world. With that privilege comes a duty to protect it. The life here is unique and fragile, unprepared for contact with our world. One careless move could destroy an ecosystem preserved for millions of years. This is a high-stakes exploration into Earth's last unknown wilderness. The stakes are high, and the consequences of failure are irreversible. Welcome to the final frontier on Earth. Our journey will challenge everything we know about life's limits. Antarctica was once lush and green, but geological forces entombed it in ice. This wasn't an end, but a beginning. Pockets of ancient water became subglacial lakes, isolated time capsules. Life inside these lakes had to adapt, relying on chemosynthesis, deriving energy from chemical reactions, not sunlight. These ecosystems operate in perpetual darkness, built on minerals and gases from the bedrock. Scientists suspecting these hidden lakes were astonished to find life in samples untouched by sunlight for millions of years. Each discovery reveals new diversity and complexity, raising more questions. The implications reach beyond Earth. If life thrives here, could it exist on Europa or Enceladus? Antarctica's hidden world is now a blueprint for searching for life elsewhere. It expands our imagination and hope for what's possible. The lost world beneath the ice is a window into life's resilience. The story begins at Vostok Station, one of the most remote research outposts on Earth. Russian scientists drilled deep into the Antarctic ice, seeking ancient climate records. Unexpectedly, they detected a massive body of liquid water nearly 4 kilometers down, Lake Vostok. The lake, the size of Lake Ontario, was kept liquid by the insulating ice and Earth's faint warmth. Analyzing ice from just above the lake, they found chemical signatures of microbial life. Tiny, single-celled organisms. Life in total darkness, immense pressure and extreme cold, cut off from the surface, defied biology's known rules. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It suggested a vast hidden ecosystem evolving in isolation for millions of years, but exploring it risks contaminating this pristine world. The Vostok revelation cracked open our ignorance, offering a glimpse into Antarctica's secret life. It was a turning point, showing us that life can persist in the most unlikely places. The challenge now: explore without destroying. Lake Vostok changed everything. To understand today's Antarctic life, we must travel back in time. 50 million years ago, Antarctica was a land of temperate rainforests, lush with trees and ferns. It was part of Gondwana, connected to Australia and South America. Tectonic shifts sent Antarctica drifting south, isolating it with a powerful circumpolar current. The continent cooled, glaciers formed, and the Great Freezing began. Over millions of years, ice sheets buried forests, rivers and lakes. Ancient Antarctica was locked in a deep, frozen sleep. This slow freezing preserved pockets of the Old World beneath the ice. Entire lakes and their inhabitants were sealed off, becoming today's subglacial lakes. These lakes are living fossils, time capsules of a lost ecosystem. The organisms trapped there are descendants of those ancient times. Isolated evolution shaped them into unique forms. The gradual process allowed life to adapt, not perish. Today, these lakes hold fragments of a world before the ice. They are windows into Earth's deep past. The story of Antarctica is one of survival through profound change. Trapped beneath the ice, life lost its sun and had to reinvent itself. Photosynthesis was impossible. Survival depended on a new energy source. The answer was chemosynthesis, using chemical energy from minerals and gases seeping from the bedrock. Microbes became the primary producers, forming the base of a dark, hidden food web. Evolution in this isolated world took a unique path, shaped by cold, pressure, and darkness. DNA from these lakes reveals lineages unlike anything on the surface, new branches on the tree of life. The ecosystem is slow and patient, finely tuned to scarce resources. Chemosynthetic bacteria are consumed by more complex organisms, building a food web in the dark. Scientists are only beginning to understand this structure. Evidence suggests not just bacteria, but also more complex, single-celled and possibly multicellular life. This is a living record of evolution in an alien-like world. Life here is a testament to adaptation and endurance. In the darkness, life found a way. Lake Vostok was just the beginning. Scientists have mapped over 400 subglacial lakes and rivers beneath Antarctica's ice. These bodies of water form a vast interconnected network, a continent-spanning wetland system. Life may not be isolated. Organisms could travel between lakes, exchanging genetic material. Each lake is unique, some fresh, some salty, some ancient, some recently connected. Drilling into lakes like Whillans and Mercer, scientists found thousands of new microbial species. In Lake Mercer's mud, they even found remains of tiny crustaceans and tardigrades, evidence of a more complex food web. While only remnants, their presence hints at a richer ecosystem. Every new sample adds to the puzzle of this hidden world. The diversity is astonishing and the story is still unfolding. Antarctica's subglacial network is a new frontier for life on Earth. We are only beginning to understand its complexity. Discoveries in Antarctica's hidden lakes have transformed our search for extraterrestrial life. We now know life can thrive beneath thick ice, protected from radiation and preserved for eons. This insight shifts our focus to icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, which may have subsurface oceans. Conditions there could mirror Antarctica's subglacial lakes, dark, cold, but rich in chemical energy. Antarctica is our practice ground for exploring these distant worlds. Technologies developed here will help us search for life beyond Earth. The challenges are immense, but the lessons are invaluable. These discoveries suggest life may be common, hiding in the dark oceans of the cosmos. The microbes beneath Antarctic ice urge us to broaden our search and never underestimate life's persistence. The universe may be far more hospitable to life than we ever imagined. Despite our discoveries, we've only scratched the surface of Antarctica's hidden world. For every answer, new questions arise. How do these ecosystems function in total darkness? Is there more complex life waiting to be found? The challenge of sampling in such extremes makes discovery difficult, but the mystery drives us forward. The risk of contamination is real. A single microbe from our world could devastate these ancient ecosystems. Scientists debate how to balance exploration with protection. Strict protocols are in place, but can we ever be certain? We are not just explorers. We are guardians of this unique biosphere. The responsibility to preserve it is immense. Balancing curiosity and caution is the greatest challenge at the bottom of the world. The world beneath Antarctica's ice is a testament to life's resilience. Life is not fragile. It adapts, endures and thrives in the most extreme places. This hidden ecosystem celebrates life's ingenuity and surprises. These discoveries remind us that Earth is still full of mysteries. They teach humility and challenge our assumptions about where life can exist. The lessons from this frozen world show how geology, chemistry and biology intertwine. They expand our perspective on evolution and the possibilities for life beyond Earth. Antarctica's secret ecosystem reflects our curiosity and wonder. It challenges us to be better stewards of our planet and its hidden wonders. Life has waited patiently beneath the ice for millions of years. Now we have the privilege and responsibility to listen to its story. As we continue to unravel the mysteries hidden beneath Antarctica's ice, there's so much more to explore together. If you're fascinated by the wonders of our planet and the secrets it still holds, don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. Tap the bell to stay updated on our latest adventures into the unknown. Your journey of discovery starts here. Let's explore the extraordinary together.